Hi, it's been a while. Well, a little bit over a week, but that's enough for me to kind of run around the house feeling like, oh my God, I have stuff to do. So I got into a painting slump with lilies. I didn't think that was possible, but it is, because there's such a big variety. But I think that lilies are not supposed to be done in watercolor, so I'm gonna move on from that, but I was still craving watercolors. So instead of that, I decided to take a break, enjoy watercolors the way I used to. And I was like, what should I do? Should I do faces, like portraits? And then I came upon this beautiful, beautiful sculpture of an angel, of a cherub. And let me tell you, it was love at first sight. So I decided I'm just gonna go for that. So this is pretty much what you're gonna see today, just watercolors, two of my favorite colors. This is a mixture of indigo and it's like a maroon. I think it's called Madder Lake Red, if I'm not mistaken. I'm also using my first watercolor palette ever. I know it looks messy, but this has been with me since years ago, and I still use it for sketches, and I still feel so comfortable with these colors. Now, if you ask me exactly what colors I have there, I won't be able to tell you because I tend to go like whenever I have watercolor that I put in a new palette, or I just take a tube and I have very little left, instead of just closing the tube, I pour like whatever is left in this palette because I used to use it a lot. So yeah, well, talking about it, it's just an angel, a baby angel. Beautiful, beautiful. The paper is not the best, but I also decided to take a break from like the good quality paper and just go to my crappy one, the one that I used to use when I didn't spend so much money on supplies. And let me tell you, I kind of love it. So I'm probably gonna stick to this paper, or maybe not. Listen, I have no idea, but it turns out that sometimes I'm better at when I use crappy supplies and crappy mediums rather than the good quality ones. Because maybe it's because I feel more comfortable with this one and I don't fear using them as much as I fear using the good quality ones. However, since I'm practicing, I prefer to practice with this. Whenever I have to do like a commission or something like that, or some drawing for somebody special, I do use the good quality ones and I do spend more time. This pretty much took me 40 minutes total from beginning to end. It's true that I used layers with lots of water because that's like my favorite way of using watercolor. Just big layers of very clear or very diluted watercolor. I know it's not the best way to use it, but it's my way. And um, you can tell me whatever you want. I'm still gonna use watercolor however I want it. Anyway, yeah, I just decided to take a little bit of a break from flowers because I'm getting sick and tired of just drawing the same flowers over and over again. So this was pretty much it. As you can see, I was not careful at all. I don't really care about what's placed where. I just wanted to emphasize the wings and the beautiful face of that sculpture cherub, that kid, because oh my god, it was so beautiful. I felt so inspired by it. Well, anyway, this was it. As you can see, it was quite a simple one. I had fun with it, and that's the most important of them all. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.